Today I want to show you how to deposit your funds to InteractiveBrokers account from your Revolut application. It's very easy, and the first thing you have to do after you logged in your account is to click on this button deposit. Another way is to go to this link transfer and pay and click on the transfer funds, and here you have two options: to make a deposit and to make a withdrawal. To load your account with funds, you need to choose this one, make a deposit. If you want to withdraw, to send your money back to your bank account, you will have to need this make a withdrawal button. So today we click on make a deposit, and you need first to add your deposit information. I already have my Revolut account added, but I will show you how to add new one. You need to select currency. You can click on this get instructions button, and here you will have this page, SEPA wire deposit, and you need to fill these fields. You can find this information in your Revolut account. I will show you now how on my phone. How to find this information that you need to fill in this form. You just open your Revolut application, then you click on your profile icon here in the left top corner, and you can click on account details and choose the account you will send money from. And here you have all the data you need. The name of institution will be just Revolut, and the account number you can just copy from here and send to your messenger or telegram account or whatever, not to type in and not to make a mistake. So I put my account number here, and I select the amount that I will send, let's say 200 euro, and then you click on this button and you get your wire instructions. Now you need to send money from your Revolut account using this information that you see on the page. How to do it? Again, in your Revolut account, you go to transfer and select a new account and select this one on the bank account. This screen I can't record, but what you're gonna see there is a page with form where you need to fill data. You need to select currency, should be euro. You need to select a country of the bank you send to, and then you have to type in all the details, the IBAN that you see here to this field. You also need to add company name, should be JP Morgan AG. Here you can enter your email, and then you will see such page where in the field reference you should add your payment reference. From this line you can see your number and your name here. So you add the reference, and then you select the amount of money that you want to send, and this amount should be the same that you selected here in the notification that you just created on InteractiveBrokers website. And then you click continue, and you will see this screen with all the data you filled in. You can check it. Just make sure that you added your reference. It's very important, because this is the way how website, how InteractiveBrokers will understand that it's you sent money, not someone else. Now you can send them, and usually money arrive in 1 day, in 1 working day. So if you're sending on the weekend, then most probably your money will arrive on Monday. That's it. Quite easy. It takes literally 2 minutes to send money, and I don't even need to go anywhere. And the good thing that after you created your notification and transfer in Revolut, you don't even need to create them second time, because everything is saved. You just choose your previous method and send money. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it was useful, and I wish you good luck with your investing.